Good day, one and all. This video is to brief you all about the various voter awareness contests that are being held in Goa. The first contest is about the Epic Selfie contest, which means you need to have your Epic Selfie card. Let me consider this is my Epic Selfie card, okay, which may be also termed as your voter ID card or in simple terms, your election card. So you have to click a selfie with your Epic card and you yourself. Once you have clicked a selfie, post it on Instagram and follow and tag @ceo.goa. And once you have done this, DM or message us the link of your post. Make sure that the account has to be public and post your reel before 5th of Jan 2022. Now, when it is Epic Selfie Contest, it means all those people who have their Epic card, voter ID card with them can participate for the selfie contest. Those who do not have Epic card with them cannot participate. So students who are still studying and who have not yet completed 18 years of age will not have the Epic card. So in that case, they may not qualify for the Epic Selfie Contest, while those who have the Epic card with them fully qualify for this contest. Okay. The next is the song composing contest, which means you have to write a song yourself. It has to be a self-written song, which should be 3 to 5 minutes long. Song language can be Konkani, Hindi, English, or Marathi. You have to WhatsApp the entries onto the given number by 10th of Jan 2022. Make sure that the song is completely apolitical, which means it cannot be made for any particular party. It has to be away from politics. Okay. The next is short film contest. Here, the film should not be more than 5 to 10 minutes. Theme of the contest should be ethical voting or cast your vote. So based on these two themes, you will create your own film, short film. Last date is 10th of January, wherein you are sending the entries on the given number. Again, the short film has to be completely apolitical in nature. Now, for the short film contest, there is no age bar. So all the residents of Goa qualify for this short film contest, just like the previous song composing contest as well. The next is slogan contest, wherein the slogan has to be written by you. It has to be a self-written slogan. Okay, that means the slogan has to be original. It cannot be taken from any other sources. Slogan cannot be more than 2 lines. Slogan contest should be on ethical voting and cast your vote. You have to WhatsApp your entries on the given number by 10th of January 2022. The slogan should be completely apolitical again. It cannot be referring to any particular party. The next is a slogan coding competition. This slogan coding competition has been launched by the Chief Election Office in coordination with Project Management Unit, which is run by DTE, and it is running the coding and robotics education for schools in Goa, and also in joint coordination with Directorate of Education and SCRT. So the students who are eligible for this is all the students of Goa up to age 17, right? So all the students up till age 17 qualify for the competition. Now, those school going students who have already created their logins on our portal for various competitions that have been held previously can directly submit their coding projects through the portal. I will explain that in detail shortly, but let us see what is coding competition. Now, when we say slogan coding, it means the slogan that you have come up with needs to be coded using the language using the coding environment that you are comfortable with. For example, school going students are comfortable using Scratch or maybe PictoBlox environment. So they may choose any of those two platforms to code the slogans that they have come up with. The slogans that you have written has to be coded using this coding environment. Similarly, a college going student may choose preferable coding environment as per their convenience, as per their choice. Right? Now, how do they submit? All instructions are given on our site, which is www.caresgoa.org. Hit enter. You will be taken to the page. The third tab here says competitions. Click on the link which reads slogan coding competition. It gives you complete detail about the competition, right from the general guidelines to the evaluation process. Project scoring pattern is also given. So that clearly shows if the slogan is derived by the self, that means the child has written the slogan on their own self, then it carries higher weightage as compared to the slogan that is used from the list that we have given. Now the list is given at the end here, voter awareness slogans. The complete list of slogans that we have already framed is here. There are about 55 slogans in English and Devanagari script. So whichever student, whoever finds it difficult to come up with a slogan, but is comfortable to code it. For example, a student may not be able to think of a slogan, but is confident of coding any slogan in the convenient coding environment. So they can choose from this list any one of the slogans and start coding it, right? So that help is also provided here. Apart from that, in order to submit your project, the login facility is there, wherein all the students who have already submitted projects before, they have their login IDs given prior. So the login IDs were already given to such students earlier, with which they can directly go to their dashboard, student dashboard, and submit their projects. So students registered under CARES have already got their login ID credentials. They have already participated in their previous competitions. So they will have their login ID credentials with them. So using that, you can log in and submit a project. Now, what about those students who are new to the platform, right? So they go to register link here, last link, and fill in the form that pops up. That is asking you for your basic details, fill it in and click on register. You will be given a similar interface to submit your project. Once you have submitted your project, you have completed the entire process. I hope the entire instructions are clear now. Hopefully, all the instructions are more clearer with the explanation provided. And with this, I can expect maximum participation throughout Goa. So let us hope for the best and let us participate with full enthusiasm. Thank you.